These cinnamon cookies are so good. They will make your kitchen smell like a bakery and your taste bud begs you for more. Watch this video till the end because by the end of it, you'll be baking these cookies on repeat. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. In a bowl, we'll be adding 150 grams of butter. It has to be soft butter. If your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Next, we'll be adding 1 cup of icing sugar, that is 130 grams. We mix very well until it becomes very creamy. If you don't have icing sugar, you can blend 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You will get yourself an icing sugar. After creaming, we will be adding 1 tablespoon of powdered milk and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Remember, cinnamon powder is a star of the show, so you cannot skip it at all. Next, we mix everything together to properly combine. After mixing, we add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams. Mix very well until a dough is formed. You can use your spatula or your hands, but it's easier and faster with your hands. After mixing, your dough should look like this. Next, we sprinkle some flour on a work surface and transfer the dough to it. Roll out using a rolling pin. Next, we will be cutting the dough into our desired cookie shape. I will be using this circle cookie cutter to form a semicircle. This is the shape I will be going for. Cut out the rest of the dough into your desired shape. Transfer the cookies to your baking tray layered with parchment paper. Bake in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. After baking, your cookies should look like this, and your kitchen must be smelling like cinnamon heaven by now. These cookies are so good that you will snack on it uncontrollably, and your neighbors will be mysteriously showing up at your doorstep because of the delicious aroma coming from your kitchen. Store these cookies in an airtight container. It will last you up to a month, though I know you will finish it quickly because of how delicious it is. If you made it this far, you're officially part of the Cookie Club. So please support my channel by subscribing, liking, and commenting. And also feel free to share the recipe with your loved ones. If you want to impress your friends and your loved ones, make these cookies and bring it to a party or any gathering. It will finish in an instant and they will keep asking you for more. Let me know in the comment section if you will be making this recipe at home. And also, I would love to read about your questions, about your suggestions, and about your recommendations. Please check out the other videos in my channel. I'm sure you will find something you love there because there's something for everyone there. That is it for today's bake. Warm cookies, cozy vibes, and cinnamon magic. I hope this recipe brings as much comfort to your home as it did to mine. Until next time, happy baking!